Manatj Park, located in Perth CBD, takes its name from the Noongar word for black cockatoo, a species of significant cultural importance to the Whadjuk Noongar people, the traditional custodians of this land. The site sits on what was formerly Boojamilap, a wetland crucial to Noongar life, providing food, water and campgrounds as part of their seasonal migration. The paving references the seasonal drying of the lake, transitioning from light to dark to represent the contours of the former wetland, whilst the tree layout frames a space with native flooded gums on the north, representing Noongar culture, and the ornamental pears on the south, representing the European culture. Using White's principles as a framework, this documentary looks at how Manatj Park functions as a small urban open space, observing how people use the seating, where they gather, and how they interact with the space around them. This time-lapse was filmed between 4:30pm and 6:30pm on Friday the 17th of April, a period of high activity due to the movement of workers and pedestrians in the hours after work. The time-lapse aims to capture how people naturally use and move through the space during one of its busiest periods. Due to weather conditions and a lack of undercover seating within the park, the filming location was changed, which itself is a relevant observation when considering White's environment principle. As the time-lapse shows, the space is primarily used as a continuation of the pedestrian path rather than a place to stop, sit and relax. While some people do pause to socialise, the park does not present a calm and peaceful atmosphere that characterises a successful small urban space. The road running through the centre acts as a physical barrier which divides the park into two separate sections rather than functioning as a singular cohesive space. Combined with a lack of movable seating and no undercover shelter, the space feels as if it is a place to pass through rather than a place to stop and stay in. A bar has also established itself within the park boundary, utilising seating that was clearly designed as part of the original park, suggesting that the park was already underperforming. While the bar increases the space's nighttime activity, it makes the remaining park feel less like a public space and more like an extension of the bar itself, reducing its accessibility and appeal for general users. Overall, while Manatj Park has a strong visual appeal and quality lighting features, the physical constraints of the road, lack of shelter, and loss of usable space means it falls short of White's principles for a successful small urban space.